ഡാഡി ഹൊസായിഡി CID തരി പോലുമില്ല പേടി ഉണ്ടാ വെടിയുണ്ടാ കളി ഡാഡിയോട് വേണ്ട. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday dear daddy. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday dear daddy. Happy birthday to you.
ഷഷ്ടിപൂർത്തി ആഘോഷിക്കുന്ന സ്നേഹമുള്ള കുര്യന് ജന്മദിനത്തിൻ്റെ ആശംസകൾ നേരുന്നു. തമ്പുരാൻ കുര്യനെയും ആഗ്നസിനെയും മക്കളെയും കുഞ്ഞുമക്കളെയൊക്കെ ഒത്തിരി അനുഗ്രഹിക്കട്ടെ എന്ന് ഞാൻ പ്രാർത്ഥിക്കുന്നു. കഴിഞ്ഞ 11 വർഷമായി മുടങ്ങാതെ എല്ലാ ഓഗസ്റ്റ് 9 തീയതിയും ഞാൻ കുര്യനെ വിളിച്ച് വിഷ് ചെയ്യും, പ്രാർത്ഥിക്കാറുണ്ട്. കാരണം എനിക്ക് കുര്യനെ അത്ര ഇഷ്ടമാണ്. കുര്യൻ ഒത്തിരി നല്ലവനാണ്. നിന്റെ ഹൃദയം മുഴുവൻ സ്നേഹമാണ്. നിന്നെ പറ്റുന്ന പോലെ എല്ലാവരും നീ സഹായിക്കും. അപ്പോൾ ഹാപ്പി ബർത്ത്ഡേ കുര്യ. ലവ് യു. ഐ ലവ് യു.
Hello, Mr. Kurian. How are you? You might be wondering why I am on WhatsApp today live. Today is a special day, isn't it? I just found that today is your birthday. I don't know how I should wish you on this auspicious day, since you are a very nice person to me. I am thankful to you and your family while I was there for having a wonderful reception you had given me. And what I should say, I wish you a really wealthy, healthy, lovable and a very happy birthday. Thank you. Thanks a lot.
ഞങ്ങളുടെ ജന്മദിന ആശംസ.
Okay.
Wishing you happy birthday, Peppa.
Happy birthday, Peppa.
Wish you happy birthday to Kurian.
Happy birthday.
May God bless you.
Happy birthday. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday Kurian. Happy.
ഹായ്. പുലിക്കോട്ടിൽ തറവാടിൻ്റെ പുലിക്കുട്ടിയായ എൻ്റെ കുഞ്ഞനുജൻ ഇന്ന് ജീവിതത്തിൻ്റെ ഒരു വഴിയ നാഴികക്കല്ല് പിന്നിടുന്ന സുദിനമാണല്ലോ. ഷഷ്ടിപൂർത്തി, 60-ാം പിറന്നാൾ എന്തുതന്നെയായാലും ജീവിതയാത്രയിലെ ഒരു മഹാസുദിനമാണ്. ഇതുവരെയുള്ള ജീവിതത്തിൽ വളരെ ഡൈനമിക്കായിട്ടുള്ള ഒരു വ്യക്തിത്വത്തിൻ്റെ ഉടമയാണ് കുര്യൻ. തീരുമാനങ്ങൾ എടുക്കുന്നതിനും അത് എക്സിക്യൂട്ട് ചെയ്യുന്നതിനും വളരെയധികം മികവ് പുലർത്തിയിട്ടുണ്ട്. ഇനി ഇവിടെ നിന്ന് അങ്ങോട്ടുള്ള സെക്കൻഡ് ഇന്നിങ്സ് ബന്ധപ്പെടുന്നവർക്കെല്ലാം ഒരു സ്നേഹത്തിൻ്റെയും കരുതലിൻ്റെയും കാലഘട്ടമാക്കണം. ജീവിതത്തിൻ്റെ സെക്കൻഡ് ഇന്നിങ്സ് എന്തുതന്നെയായാലും യേശുദേവൻ പഠിപ്പിച്ച സ്നേഹത്തിൽ അധിഷ്ഠിതമാകട്ടെ. ഞാൻ ഇത്തരുണത്തിൽ കുര്യനെ, എൻ്റെ കുഞ്ഞനുജനെ ഇനി അങ്ങോട്ടുള്ള ജീവിതം വളരെ ഭാസുരവും സന്തോഷപൂർവവും സുദീർഘവുമാകുന്നതിനെ ആശംസിക്കുകയും സർവേശ്വരനോട് പ്രാർത്ഥിക്കുകയും ചെയ്യുന്നു. നന്ദി, നമസ്കാരം.
Happy birthday to
my dashing Velapan,
To my strong Velapan,
my impatient Chetan.
to my loving brother.
Wish you a very happy 60th birthday. Enjoy, have a blast. God bless you abundantly.
Many happy returns of the day, കുര്യമ്പേപ്പന്. ഷഷ്ടിപൂർത്തി ആഘോഷിക്കുന്ന ഞങ്ങളുടെ പ്രിയപ്പെട്ട കുര്യമ്പേപ്പന് എല്ലാവിധ ആശംസകളും അതോടൊപ്പം തന്നെ പേപ്പന് ദീർഘായുസ്സും നേരുന്നു. പിന്നെ പേപ്പൻ കോവിഡ് കഴിഞ്ഞിട്ട് ഞങ്ങൾ അവിടെ വന്ന് അടിച്ചു പൊളിക്കണം. ഓക്കെ, ഹാവ് എ നൈസ് ഡേ.
Many happy returns of the day, Papa. God bless you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to Papa. Happy birthday to you.
Kuripapan,
Wish you many happy returns of the day.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Kurian
Papan. Hello, Kurian Papa. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Kurian Papa. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Papa.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Kurian. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, Kurian.
Happy ഷഷ്ടിപൂർത്തി കുര്യൻ.
കുര്യൻ ബർത്ത്ഡേ പാർട്ടി എല്ലാം പിള്ളേരായിട്ട് എൻജോയ് ചെയ്യാൻ നമുക്കുള്ള പാർട്ടി. പിന്നെ ദെൻ കുര്യൻ എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞു കഴിഞ്ഞാല് ആക്ഷൻ.
Happy birthday, Karina Papan.
happy birthday Kuripapan. A loving father is what comes to my mind when I say first Kuripapan. So you've been a great father to your daughters and to all of us. And on this note, we would like to wish you a great happy birthday. All the health, wealth, and joy for all the years ahead.
Have a wonderful quarantine birthday
Have a
and
wonderful
enjoy
quarantine
this day with everyone.
Happy birthday.
Papan.
Bye-bye.
Hi Kuripapan, wish you very happy birthday. Happy 60th birthday. The word that comes to mind while describing you is young, because you are young at heart and you're more energetic and lively compared to people half your age. So we all aspire to be like you.
And wish you many more decades of good health and happiness. And wish you once again a very happy
Very
60th
happy birthday.
ഹാപ്പി ബർത്ത്ഡേ കുര്യൻ. 60ാം പിറന്നാളിന്റെ എല്ലാ ആശംസകളും നേരുന്നു. ഇത്തവണത്തെ ലോക്ക്ഡൌൺ കാരണം നിങ്ങൾ വന്ന് വിഷ് ചെയ്യാൻ വരാത്തതിൽ വിഷമമുണ്ട്. എന്നാലും എല്ലാ പ്രാർത്ഥനയും നിങ്ങളോട് കൂടി ഉണ്ടായിരിക്കും.
Happy birthday, Kurian. You're going to be 60 years young, not old. Okay? So, a happy lockdown birthday, 60th birthday, Shashti Purti. You are very active and you should remain active forever. And bye. See you.
Happy 60th birthday, Kuripapan.
So when I hear about Kuripapan, the one word that comes to my mind is a lion. Not only a lion king, a very kind-hearted lion king.
So for me, Kuripapan is like a father figure. So he has been throughout in my life, in all the ups and downs, supporting me throughout. So I would like to wish Kuripapan a happy birthday and be as caring as you are and as protective as you have been for all of us. Enjoy your
60th birthday. Have a very safe birthday. Have a safe lockdown birthday, a memorable birthday for you. Enjoy.
bye.
Many happy returns of the day, Kuripapan. May you have an amazing 60th birthday.
Happy 60th birthday, Kuripapan. Hope you have a wonderful birthday ahead and a very good quarantine one.
The first thing that comes to my mind about Kurian Pepen is very bold, and he has a very good positive attitude towards life, which has taken him a very long way. And he makes sure that everyone is safe, and he considers everyone. So I like it very much, and hope you have an amazing birthday and stay safe.
The first thing that comes to my mind when I think of Kurian Pepen is he's very loving. I've spent most of my summer vacations in Borivali, and I know how concerned and protective he is, and I really like that about him. And he's my godfather as well. So yeah, hope you have a very good birthday. This year we have blessings and love, but hopefully we see you all soon. Take care.
Take
Bye.
care and stay safe. Have a good one, Kurian Pepen. Bye.
Happy birthday, Kurian. ആയുസും ആരോഗ്യവും ദീർഘായുസും ഉണ്ടാവാൻ ദൈവത്തോട് പ്രാർത്ഥിക്കുന്നു. നല്ലൊരു മരുമകനായി എനിക്ക് കിട്ടിയതിന് നന്ദി പറയുന്നു.
Happy birthday, Aryan. I hope I have the wisdom and energy you have at 60. Thanks for being an incredible brother and a wonderful friend. You deserve so much happiness and joy in life, and I hope that the coming years ahead are full of many blessings for you. Happy Shashti Purti.
A very happy birthday to Kurian. We were asked to describe Kurian in one word. So what comes first in my mind is he's a very generous person, and since there are no negative markings, I would like to say a few more words about him. What comes into my mind, that is, he's honest, he's loving, and he gets angry. That is also to be told. Anyway, God bless you, Kurian, with lots of health, peace, joy, and all what you wish for. Happy Shashti Purti. God bless you.
Happy birthday, Kurian uncle. I wish you the best of luck with what comes ahead.
Happy 60th birthday, Kurian uncle. You've always been great, energetic, and the first one to help everyone. Really thank you so much for being there for us always, and wish you all the best.
Hey, sanitizer girl.
Yeah, hi, tell me.
How are you?
Yeah, fine, going with the COVID.
So it's Dad's birthday today.
Yes.
So just wanted to ask you, how would you describe him in one word?
Good or bad? I'll go with the good. So many people are watching. So one word about Dad is that he's very helpful. I'm sure that all the family members, friends, colleagues, or classic staff all would know that whenever they approach or we approach him, he's very helpful in nature. He's always with the attitude of giving. He always tells the more you give, the more you receive. So that's why I would sum up Dad Kurian into one word, which is helpful in nature. And yeah, so I would like to wish him happy birthday on the special day and happy Shashti Purti. Have a very beautiful and enjoyable day with good health. That's it. So forget about me. Let's go to someone special. Here we have Mom. Mom, can you describe Dad in one word?
To describe Dad in one word is impossible, because I've seen him since so many years. So I've studied him very well. I've done a PhD on him. But still, I want to say one thing about him is that he's very loving, very caring person, and very generous. And not only caring to our family members, but to the classic staff, and all his family, friends, and relatives. And main quality about him is that he keeps in contact with everybody, either by ringing them, or talking to them. And that is one good quality about him, which we all should learn. And then I would pray that he remains healthy and have a peaceful life and not take more tension. Now it's a Shashti Purti, so the coming years he should be more careful regarding his health and be good to everybody and be with me always and make me also happy till the end of time.
Okay.
I wish you very happy Shashti Purti Jatin. God bless you.
Okay, I think that was more than one word, but that's okay.
Sorry.
Since you're his wife, so it's justifiable.
Sorry.
It's okay. So now let's go to Subin. Yes, tell me. Hi. I think you must have heard what I asked Mom. So what you have to do is just Describe Dad in one word.
In one word, I would like to tell about Dad is he is a unique personality. He has two personalities, and a personality which is in anger and a personality which is very loving, and that is very rare in people. And it's a very good quality. You can be angry on anybody, at the same time, after some time you can pamper that person again. So on his birthday, I wish him all the very best. Happy Shashti Purti. All the
Ron,
Hi.
what do you want to tell Papa?
Papa, happy birthday, Papa, happy birthday, Papa, happy birthday, I love you so much. I love you, I love you, I love you to fight on you, fight and with you, fight and with you. If you your birthday will come tomorrow, yes. Papa's birthday will come. Papa's birthday will come tomorrow. Come tomorrow. Papa's birthday come tomorrow. Tell to Papa, Papa's birthday coming. If Papa comes with his buddy, with the cake, he will come and eat cake, full cake. If he eat. Goodbye, see you tomorrow.
Hi, Daddy.
Hi.
So here's wishing all of us together. Happy birthday, Daddy.
Daddy.
Enjoy.
your Shashti
Have a very good Shashti Purti. We all love you. Say we love you.
I love you.
Yay. Bye.
Oh, Gigi.
Many happy returns of the day, Daddy. So we thought the one word
For Daddy would be punctual. Yes.
What does punctual mean? Fun plus punctual.
Is punctual. Yeah. So this year Daddy is completing 60 years. So he's finally senior citizen. We wanted it to be celebrated on a large scale, but due to COVID and all, we are not able to celebrate in that way. But we want to make it very special for you. So have a very, very, very nice birthday celebration. And
Enjoy your day.
Enjoy. God bless.
God bless you.
We miss you.
Yes.
Yeah, we miss you.
Kudian many happy returns of the day for your 60th birthday. God bless you, Kudian.
Happy birthday, Korean. You're so special to all of us in our lives. We thank you for being part of our lives, and we pray to God that you get a blessed life with prosperity and success and good health always. We have all, as a family, we have all thought about a single word for you, right? And we have created an acronym. So I would start with K for kindness.
U for understanding.
R for respectful.
I for intelligent.
A for active.
And N for naughty. So it's a fantastic opportunity for us to wish you today as a family. Ready, some words?
Happy birthday, Korean Chetan. This period of lockdown has really distanced us. Otherwise, we would have been celebrating this birthday together with you and having a lot of fun. Nevertheless, our wishes, our prayers are always there with you, and we hope to see you soon and give you a great birthday and have a great birthday bash and enjoy, and best wishes from each one of us. We really hope the best of life ahead. God's grace always be with you. Be always happy, cheerful, loving, the caring brother that I have. Thank you so much for being so special to me in my life.
Happy birthday, Kurian.
Happy
Bye bye.
birthday.
Take care. Have a nice birthday. Bye.
For me, Kurian is a very kind-hearted person.
കുര്യനെ സംബന്ധിച്ചിടത്തോളം ആത്മാർത്ഥതയും നിഷ്കളങ്കതയുമുള്ള ആളാണ്. ഒരു യൂണിക് പേഴ്സണാലിറ്റിയാണ്.
For me, the one word that describes Kurian uncle would be responsible. I've always seen him as a responsible father, a responsible husband, responsible grandfather, and in fact, responsible employer as well. All kudos to him and all the best on this 60th birthday.
For me, uncle is an intelligent person, be it managing his business or managing people around.
For me, Chapapan.
For us, Kurian is a nice human being. We wish him happy birthday.
Happy birthday!